what's up? Haven't made a video in a really long time, and I'm gonna start making more, so it's kind of like an introduction. My name's Orion, dad, bass player, BMX. We're out here in rainy Worcester. So my BMX bike was actually stolen out of my garage a couple days ago, and I have to get a 2022 Broc Raiford, not the authentic one, because the source was selling it for like 40 or 50% off. That's coming today. It's my first bike fresh out of the box. So I'm back in the house working from home. Hinty's here. Something was at the door, ringing the doorbell. I think the bike just got here. I'm excited to put this down in the basement because my lovely, lovely wife doesn't actually know that I got this yet. And we'll just tell her soon enough. The basement spot, I used to have a little music area set up. We're gonna be back for you later. Shout out to the source though, because that was really quick shipping. All right, just wrapped up with work. I gotta go take a peek at this thing real quick. We made a frugal investment for my physical and mental well-being. So also something notable is this 10-inch rise, We the People Pathfinder bars. It's got like this ovalized crossbar, which is cool. Let's pop this bad boy open. So I also got a guard sprocket, and I want to make sure that they stuffed it in this box. That's gonna have to get cut down. Holy. Oh, the bar. Oh, pedals. Oh, there's the guard sprocket. This was actually on the bike that I got stolen too. The Paragon We the People guard sprocket. Front wheel. That's about how much air the kids are running these days, right? I'm really excited about the progressive geometry. Yep. I don't have any grease though. It's not a big deal. Just for the pedals, right? So definitely what I'm most bummed about having that bike stolen is that I just got the Colony free coaster, the new planetary one, which has the smallest amount of slack on any free coaster to date. It's Odyssey V2. I'm stoked for, but you know, we're gonna have that. I'm gonna wrap it up. We're over here at the Crompton Skate Park in Worcester. It feels amazing. The responsiveness is incredible. 10-inch rise bars for me at 6 feet. 75.5 degree head to short back end. I think I'm at about 13.2. More to come. I'll probably make a video a week. Catch you on the next one.